Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Vlogmas Day something. I have no idea what day it is, but that is okay. So we did Alana's room and felt that we could not just do her room and not do Jackson's. So we are going to be working on Jackson's room. I say we. My friend is coming over and she's going to help me in there. Jackson's room would just be trashed every single day of life. So what we're going to do is run up in there and see about getting that room cleaned. We just need to get a few things done. I've got him some Star Wars stuff. Man, I've got pictures of just, in his closet is just trashed. It's just trashed. But we're going to do some stuff in there and really just get ourselves on a good foot. But we thought you guys might want to come along for this vlog. Okay, friends, so you can see the chaos. These are just some of his books, not even all of his books. So what I'm going to do, this came out of my room, this shelf thing. So I'm going to move that to this wall over here. I'm moving out the chest that is on that wall. That'll go at the end of the bed. So I'm going to move all that stuff out, his book bag and all the things. Go through his closet and figure some stuff out. So I'm just going to work in this little section for a few minutes and see what I can get done over here. And then figure out where we are. I'm going to go grab my computer so I can listen to either a movie or some songs or something while I'm working. Just so I have something going on while I'm working. Okay, you guys, so I had to take a quick break. The kids are at, get out of that. The kids are at youth group, and so it's my chance to walk the dog because she has to walk. It's about 5 o'clock. Still have about 3.5 hours before I I need to pick up the kids. I'm making some really good progress because again, it's not like a paint job, so we're not having to paint. It's really just moving furniture around, throwing trash away. He's got a lot of toys he doesn't play with much anymore, so that it's just a matter of rearranging that. When Trandon left, he gave him some nice like Nike tennis shoes. Trandon buys all the best things, and so finding spaces for that, and just different little things. Come on. Vacuuming real good. You know, he has the allergies and stuff, so trying to vacuum real well. And I gotta take a dust cloth and go through there that's wet, because I think it'll pick up more of the dust than just the dry cloth is doing. But we're working on it and getting there, doing all the things. But I'm just taking a slow stroll with ma'am because she needs to walk. It's a little bit after 5, so it is starting to, sun is starting to go down a little bit. Would you please not drag me? Thanks. So it's working good. So anyway, off to walk the dog. Yes. All right, you guys. So Amanda is here, my friend.
Oh Lord, I'm half naked.
There's my friend Amanda, helping me. So we've got the bed set. We're taking down these photos that they've just been there from when Alana had this room. This mattress is going out. It's just going into the garage. So a couple things. I just have to move his clothes. That is going into the trash can, and then just this last little bit of trash. And we're going to put some posters and stuff up. So it's not half bad. I mean, we've gotten a lot of stuff done. So I feel okay about it. But next few minutes is kind of crunch time because it's going to be before long. I have to go pick up the kids. So do a few little things in the hallway. Say, hey, Shane.
Hey, Shane.
Say, hey, friends.
Hey, friend.
That's my nephew, Shane.
Look just like her.
Look, just feed him long enough, honey. So we getting there, y'all. We getting there. We on the down slope now. Well, I'm interrupting this regularly scheduled vlog to show y'all my Christmas present from my friend Amanda. Look at that. Y'all, I was like, oh my God. Yeah, that was what I did. But look at that. Man, I was looking at this and I missed it on like Black Friday, and then they had it at Costco, and I didn't get it then because I didn't have the money. Y'all, I'm feeling good about that. I'm feeling good from my head to my shoes. Sing it, pat it. Yes, man. In Jesus' name, the Lord is here for it. And here is the room. We have the Mandalorian I have spoken. Baby Yoda, Grigor, or whatever his name is. I do need to get curtains for that. And then over here, Amanda's husband works at Hobby Lobby. We're going to get some mounts for his swords. And we actually have about 7 more swords. that we need to mount. They're just going to go on this whole wall. That's not right now, but maybe by Christmas, maybe by the new year, maybe by 2022, but it'll be done. So we'll see what Jaxon thinks when he comes home and checks out his new baby Yoda bed and see if he likes it.
Yeah, I get on my bunk bed or something like that. I'm like, what in the world? I didn't turn the light on. Like,
Look at that.
I'm not seeing stuff.
What do you think?
I can't anything.
I have spoken.
Mammy knows she can still go under the bed.
Oh, look, she's under there.
Oh, that's what you did my bookshelf. Good use for it.
Good use, right?
How fun was it to go through that?
And then we put the things, the books over there. Yeah, yeah. What do you think about it?
It's awesome.
Great, right? It's different. Alrighty, you guys.
Now I have to hang up my jacket.
And your clothes. Alrighty, you guys. So there it is. Jaxon's reveal. I forgot all about it. I was in the kitchen working on the collard greens. He's like, Mom, what did you do to my room? And I was like, what happened to your room? Y'all, I was in there trying to get me some food and I forgot. So anyway, there it is, you guys. Jaxon's room. He loves it. We got to do a few more things. Like I said, that wall that's behind me, we're going to put some things up so he can put all the swords up there that we have from Taekwondo competitions and stuff. I may chalk paint that dresser. Hadn't decided quite yet, but I might. But anyway, there it is. Jaxon's room. Always thankful for my friend Amanda that comes over and helped me. My sister could not come this time, but sometimes she comes over and helps as well. But anyway, there it is. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.
Oh gosh. Okay, guys. So, I had one of those moments today that I do not have a lot of, and I don't know why. So basically, it was one of those moments where your mouth just goes open like this. And I had one of those moments today. So it is close to 9:30, like almost 9:30. And I'm chilling in my new bed with Yoda right over here. And that's the mind-blowing thing. Like, okay, so you see over there? The bookshelf used to be over here. Well, there's nothing over there because my bookshelf isn't over there. And again, mind-blowing moments don't happen to me a lot. Like earlier today, it wasn't still nighttime, but it was a lot earlier. We got into a limo, and that I didn't have a mind-blowing moment. Like, my mouth wasn't. But they took down my entire bunk bed. Like, it was just gone. Like, what in the world happened to my room? So, it actually looked really nice, and I'm probably gonna mess it up, but I'm gonna clean it. I like what Mom did with the books, though, because I don't have to go into my closet now to get my books. And my shoes aren't stacked on that tall shelf at my closet, like just stacked on top of each other. And my brain's just trying to process all of this. December has been a sort of up and down month. Like, there are just a lot of things that went up and other things that went down. There were a lot of surprises, and also not all of them were good, but this was definitely one of the very good surprises. So I'm happy, and I'm just going to be in here for a while.